Deep cleaning on Acer Aspire 3 A315 laptop. Thank you, Sir Giovanni, for trusting PTT IT Solutions. Deep cleaning a laptop is a good and practical decision for maintaining its performance, reliability, and longevity over time. Dust, dirt, and debris can accumulate inside the laptop, especially around critical components like fans, vents, and heat sinks. This buildup can obstruct airflow, cause overheating, and lead to reduced performance, system instability, or even hardware damage if left unaddressed. By performing a deep cleaning, you can restore proper airflow, improve cooling efficiency, and prevent issues such as thermal throttling. With a laptop slows down to protect itself from overheating. It also helps protect internal components from damage caused by excessive heat, ensuring the laptop operates smoothly and efficiently during regular or intensive tasks. At PTT IT Solutions, we take immense pride in offering precise and reliable laptop repair services. Our skilled technicians use advanced tools and methods to ensure that every repair is handled with the utmost care. Deep cleaning is done. Visit our shop to avail our service and have your deep cleaning too. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.